concerned whether he will be retaining Rai Bareli or Wayanad. There were many posters which said, Rahul Bhaiya, please don't leave us. But there were also posters like this where it says that, dear big brother Rahul, please don't leave us, you're our best hope. But if you must, please ask Sister Priyanka ji to take care of us. So they're even asking Rahul that if you have to leave, then please ask Priyanka Gandhi to contest from here. Let's try and get some reactions from these people. So what do you have to say? Are you sad that Rahul Gandhi might not retain the Wayanad seat?
No. Rahul Gandhi already mentioned that he will be retaining, and he said that that whatever decision I take, it will be that I mean that Rai Bareli and Wayanad people will be happy. So which means that that he will be retaining Wayanad seat.
It doesn't mean that, but
maybe in
said that,
yeah, but I feel that
happy.
no. Personally, I believe that that if he's retaining Rai Bareli and Priyanka ji will be contesting from Wayanad, so either of them will be here.
So that is your hope.
That is what he said. That is what he mentioned.
So what do you have to say? Are you worried that whether he'll not retain the Wayanad constituency? Do you want Priyanka to be contesting from here?
No, Rahul Gandhi is a good action, good movements, but he will not retain Wayanad. He is still in Wayanad. We will not forget. But we are supposing to one idea is we are imagining the Priyanka Gandhi will construct Wayanad in place of Rahul ji. So we are equal to Rahul and Priyanka. This is the best decision taken in Rahul ji.
So if Rahul is not contest, I mean it should be Priyanka Gandhi is what you all are saying.
Oh, Priyanka Gandhi. Definitely Priyanka Gandhi is the next constitution Wayanad district. So we don't forget Rahul ji. He is a good man and he is working very much.
So these are some of the comments coming in where they are saying that if not Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi should contest from the Wayanad constituency, and they are hoping that that's how it will be if Rahul Gandhi decides to retain Rai Bareli constituency.